Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy dollars on Binance using Bkash. First, you'll need to set up and verify your Binance account. This ensures all your transactions are secure and helps avoid limits. Next, link your Bkash account to your Binance profile. Make sure your Bkash wallet has enough funds to cover your desired dollar purchase. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth transaction process. Once your accounts are ready, open the Binance app and navigate to the P2P trading section. Here, you'll select the buy option. Filter the currency to USD to find sellers offering dollars. Then, choose Bkash as your payment method. This will display a list of available sellers who accept Bkash for dollar purchases, making it easy to find a suitable match. Now, it's time to select a seller. Look for sellers with high ratings and good completion rates to ensure a trustworthy transaction. Once you've chosen a seller, enter the amount of USD you want to buy. The system will show you the equivalent amount in your local currency. Carefully review all the order details before confirming your purchase and moving to the payment step. After confirming your order, you'll receive the seller's Bkash number. Transfer the exact amount shown on the order to this number using your Bkash app. It's vital to transfer the precise amount. Once the transfer is complete, mark the order as paid on Binance. The seller will then verify the payment and release the USD directly into your Binance wallet. Congratulations, you've successfully bought dollars.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.